Here's an easy way to take micro photos using your phone's camera. Everyone can take a photo like this. If there is a convex lens, by using the convex lens, zoom level is increased, the focal length is closer. Open the camera app. Then place the lens in front of your phone camera. Set the phone camera to 2x zoom. You can get better pictures by lowering the light a bit. Now you can get a beautiful photo. Okay, now let's look at another example. Discover and photograph the beautiful little objects and creatures around you. I would suggest that if the background is a little darker, you will get better pictures.